Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick and simple glitch stutter transition effect. So I have this mummy running towards the camera on a subway train, and I want to add a nice glitch stutter effect to the clip. Start off by choosing where you want the stutter to start and end. In this case, at the 2-second and 10-second mark. Then create a cut with the razor tool at those intersections. Now hit the letter R to select the rate stretch tool, and click and drag the segmented clip all the way over to the left. You will now have to rearrange your other clips and zoom way in to see your newly sped up clip. With the rate stretch tool still selected, click and drag the clip over 3 frames. Now, you want to go over to Effects, and under Video Effects and Immersive Video, click and drag the VR digital glitch onto the sped up clip. Now under Distortions, change the color distortion to 100 and distortion rate to 0, and then go over to your clip and duplicate it by holding Alt and left clicking and dragging over. Now it's as simple as bringing all your clips together and watch your cool new glitch stutter effect. There is a lot more you can do with this effect by playing around with the settings, so don't be scared to experiment, as different video clips will require your own specific approach.